Hello friends, welcome again to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how you can use app lock on your City200 device. Just follow the instructions shown in this video carefully to protect your apps and keep your data safe. If you find this guide helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Now without any delay, let's get started.